In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Squarespace site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless way for visitors to contact you directly through WhatsApp, enhancing your site's functionality and user engagement. So let's dive in. First, we're going to navigate to Common Ninja, a platform known for its easy-to-use widgets that can enhance your website's features. Once you're on the Common Ninja site, look for the option that says Widgets Plus and click on it. This will open up a treasure trove of options, but we're going to focus on a particular tool today. In the search bar provided, type in WhatsApp. As you type, suggestions will populate, and you're going to select WhatsApp Chat from the options listed. After clicking on WhatsApp Chat, you'll see a button that says Create WhatsApp Chat. Go ahead and select this. By doing so, you'll start creating your WhatsApp button specifically tailored to your needs. After you've done that, it's crucial to click on Publish, which ensures that your widget is live and ready to be integrated. Following this, you'll want to click on Save Widget, making sure that all your settings are stored and ready for the final steps. Now you'll need to select a folder where you'd like to save this widget. This is a simple organizational step that will help you keep track of where your widgets are stored. Once you've chosen your folder, click on Save Changes. After saving, you'll find an option labeled Copy Code. You're going to click this to copy the embed code that we will use in Squarespace. Next, open your Squarespace website editor and look for the option to Add Block. Click here and then select Embed. This function allows you to insert custom code into your website layout. After choosing Embed, you'll find the Edit option. Select it. Now click on Code Snippet. This is where the magic happens. In the Code Snippet window, you'll see an area labeled Embed Data. Click there to proceed. At the very bottom, there should be an Add Code button. Click on this, and now it's time to paste the embed code you copied earlier from Common Ninja. Simply paste your code in the space provided, ensuring you don't leave out any characters, as this might cause errors. Finally, click on Save to lock in all these changes. Once you've saved, your WhatsApp button will be active on your Squarespace site, ready to provide a direct communication link with your visitors. And there you have it. Your Squarespace site is now equipped with a fully functional WhatsApp button, allowing easy interaction and communication. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.